when is it the right time for me to start thinking about marriage? And so to understand that, you then have to understand what are the different categories that apply to a person in regards to the Sharia obligating marriage or making marriage sunnah, or actually even saying to him or her that actually right now is not the right time to get married. You know, we always hear that marriage is a sunnah. So in what circumstances marriage is sunnah? Is marriage always sunnah? Or is it that in certain circumstances marriage is fard? And maybe for somebody marriage might even be haram, prohibited. And then thereafter, once you've decided that, you know what, marriage for me is mubah, or it's sunnah, or it's wajib or fard, then the first step as Muslims is that we have tawakkul upon Allah. And this is, what does tawakkul mean? Tawakkul means that you rely and you turn to Allah at the beginning before adopting asbab, while you adopt your asbab, and even after adopting asbab. And before adopting asbab, what do? You supplicate to Allah. So this is part of reliance upon Allah and understanding that ultimately you can't search the entire ocean for the fish. So whatever fish come to you, you've got to choose from them. Right? And so how do you decide? You can't control the ocean. Allah decides. Allah presents it to you. And so you supplicate to Allah.